In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check plagiarism on Grammarly Premium. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to understand your results with confidence. First, open the Grammarly editor. Make sure you are signed in to a Grammarly Premium account because the plagiarism checker is a premium feature. If you are using the browser, a modern, updated version works best. If you prefer the desktop app, launch it and let it load fully before moving on. A stable internet connection will help the scan run smoothly. Next, get your text into the editor. You can create a new document and paste your content in, or open an existing document you've already saved. Take a quick look to ensure the entire text is visible and in the right order. If you are pasting from another program, double-check that nothing is missing and that any quotes or citations you intended to include are present. Keeping the full context in one place helps the checker provide more accurate matches. Now it's time to run the scanner. Look for the plagiarism button. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the bottom right corner or in the right-hand menu under Additional Tools. Click it once, and give the system a moment to analyze the document. The scan usually takes just a short time, though longer documents can take a bit more. Avoid navigating away from the page while it's running so the results load correctly. When the report appears, you'll see an originality score that indicates how much of your text matches content found online or in databases. Grammarly will highlight specific passages that may be similar to other sources. Review these highlights carefully. Keep in mind that common phrases, headings, or standard definitions can trigger matches, so context matters. Quoted material and properly cited sections may still show as matches, which simply means the text resembles known sources. To dig deeper, click any highlighted section to view the source URL and citation details. This lets you see where Grammarly found the match and compare your text side by side. Use this view to confirm whether the similarity is expected, like a direct quote, or whether it points to an area that needs rephrasing or clearer attribution. If a link doesn't load, try opening it in a fresh tab or checking your connection. That's it. Access the editor, upload or paste your text. Run the scan, review the originality score and highlights, and click through to view sources. Thanks for watching.